close, actually. It's just really wide angle. You have to be pretty close, Kate. It's just really wide angle.
One more turn. Ow!
What?
Carrot.
Hi. Hey, buddy.
I know it's strange, right?
Say hi to your auntie.
I hate it.
Oh, look at her face.
Bubbly. I don't like it.
You don't like that?
I love bubbler than Sprite.
It is Sprite.
7-Up.
It's the same.
No. So.
My gloves. So you're not going to order that?
It's so bubbly. Oh my god.
It tickle your nose?
No, but
You want to have another sip?
I kind of like. For some reason, I feel like it got bubbles on my teeth.
You want to have another sip so I can see your face again?
No.
That was funny. That's going to be good at home in our video.
I'm so watching that on YouTube.
Imitate her. Imitate her face. She's like she ate a lemon.
That's so.
Yeah. It's like she ate a lemon.
Bah.
What's so funny?
She made me drink 3 sips for the bunny.